Yeah, not a maybe on the snow, not a maybe on the cold. We have unfortunately pulled them out of the portal. I wish we could send them back, but it's winter.
I'm
What
with
can you do?
It's just a matter of when and where, right?
Yeah, when and where. And the where is going to be mostly to the south of Columbus. The when is starting right now as we're seeing the snow already push into the region. We've got several things we're watching in your 10 weather impact headlines, including that scattered snow all the way through Saturday. We'll see those temperatures in the 30s before a big drop comes heading into next week. Bitter cold air arrives Sunday and continues through Tuesday. Weather impact alerts for the wind chills Monday and Tuesday morning. We'll get to that in a minute, but first the snow. Here's what radar looks like right now. Heavier snow bands pushing in toward the south of Columbus. A little bit of snow here closer to the city from Mount Vernon up toward Delaware, but this is just superficial. What we're seeing intensify right now is that band from Logan down to Chillicothe. You can see some of those really dark blues setting up here in that Ross County region down into Pike County, out toward Logan a little bit lighter. This I don't think is quite that snow squall material, but definitely some heavier snow. If you're traveling south on US 23, Chillicothe to Waverly, watch out for some reductions in visibility, maybe some slick spots on the road. Big picture here, though, shows that southern area is where most of this moisture is going to go. You see that rain down in Kentucky. There's a lot of moisture-rich air down to the southwest. That's going to be pushing its way into Ohio as we head through this evening, and that's why our southern counties have the best chance of getting some of that heavier snow. But we could mix some of that in with rain as temperatures outside continue to warm. In fact, we are now at the freezing mark here in Columbus, 32 this hour with winds coming out of the south. Feels like temperature 24. That wind certainly doesn't help that, but it is pulling warm air into the region. So I would suspect we might see some mixing down to the south, because right now in Chillicothe down to Piketon, it is 36 degrees, 34 MacArthur, 35 now in Athens. Definitely getting that warmer air pushing into those southern counties. Despite this, we are still expecting most of the snowfall to be snow, not rain, but it's going to help not all of it quite stick as we melt things at the surface level. Temperatures near 34 next several hours, scattered light snowfall pushing in. Let's go hour by hour with it. Here's the latest snowfall. We see it pushing into the region through the next several hours, spreading across those southern counties through about 7, 8 o'clock tonight. Heaviest snow stays south of I-70 and continues through the early AM part of Saturday. After that, most of the consistent snowfall is gone, but we'll keep scattered snowfall in the forecast through the day Saturday. Most of this light, but you could get the occasional little heavy burst of snow that may impact visibility, so watch out for that. Here's a look at the snowfall forecast. This is the area where most of the snow is expected, mostly in that 1 to 2 range, but you could get those isolated areas up to 3 inches. It's why we have those winter weather advisories in place for areas south and east of Columbus. That'll go till about 7 a.m. tomorrow. 10 weather impact 7-day forecast. We do have, of course, those 2 weather impact alert days heading into next week. This is for the cold, not for any snow. We're seeing temperatures teens to 20s Monday, but wind chills will go sub-zero starting Monday morning. From there, they stay sub-zero through that 4-degree morning low Tuesday. We warm things up just to 18 degrees Tuesday afternoon, get back to the mid-30s of a little bit of scattered snow next Wednesday. But by the end of the forecast, we might be able to get back up into the 40s.